with the magicians, the clowns, and finally the singers and dancers.
Now we are going to start the show with the famous singers and dancers, the Chanchi Group. Please, a big hand. Thank you.
All the family circles in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, running an animal too. When you hear the marching band, stand your feet and clap your hands. Roll up, are you to see the show? All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, running an animal too. Buy a ticket, tell your friend the Chanchi Group are here again. Roll up, hard to see the show. All the fun of the circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. When you hear the marching bands, stand your feet and clap your hands. Roll up, hard to see the show. Roll up, hard to see the show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Frog School, the Magic Theatre. This afternoon I'm very proud to present the famous magician Ego and guessing the number 3. A round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Ego and I'm going to do a trick. For this trick I need a card with number and one volunteer. There is any volunteer? Hello, what's your name? Alaini. Hello. First you have to choose one number, and then you have to say in which card is it. Here, and here. Okay? Yes. Well, the number. Is here the number? Here? Here? Yes. Here? Yes. Here? Yes. Here? Yes. Okay. Is it 31? The number is 31. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are very close to present the famous magician Hector with his card tricks. A round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Hector and I'm going to do a trick of cards. For this trick I need a set of cards and a volunteer. Is there any volunteer? First, choose one card and show it to everyone. And put it here. Now I'm going to shuffle I'm going to do 3 blocks, and you have to say in what part is your card. Another time. And the last time. Now I'm going to put the first card up, the other card down, like this until finish. And now I'm going to tap for one side, the other side. Is this?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are going to present, we are going to welcome the famous magician and magic, the trick card. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello, my name is Aymar, and now I'm going to do one magic trick. For this trick, I need a set of cards and one volunteer. Is there any volunteer? Okay, first I divide the card in 2 blocks. Then I close the eyes and look at the card. You take one card and put over the back and put it in another one. And memorize I show it. Is this the card?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome to the famous magician Daniel. A round of applause for Daniel. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name represent the famous magician Maren and her of cards. And a big hand, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Maren the magician. Now for my trick I need a magic wand, a card, and a magic box. I put the card in the box and I close it. I mix it and I say the magic words. Touch my ear, touch my neck, touch my ear, card disappear. And the card disappeared.
I'm very happy to present the famous magician Joseph with the pencil trick. A round of applause, please.
Boys and girls, my name is Joseph and I'm going to do a trick. For this trick I need a pencil. The pencil I'm going to put in my hand and it's not going to fall down. Look.
Thanks you magicians, but now is the time for that with the class. But before that I ask you to welcome the singers and dancers.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the theater with the funniest clowns in the neighborhood. Popcorn, ping-pong, and popo. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Do you know the new vacuum cleaner?
No, I don't. clean her clothes.
Oh, yes it will.
Oh, no, it won't.
Oh, yes it will.
Oh, no, it won't.
Shall I give you a demonstration?
Yes, please. Jane, 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 come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Take this very dirty clothes.
Let's put the shear on the machine. At the workshop. And stay a few minutes. This is a time. Now I want to present to the welcome in the Magdalena. A big applause for Poppy and Popo.
I am the strongest clown in the world. I am missing 20 kilos. Oh no, you are not. Oh no, you are not. Oh no, you are not. Pay attention.
Look, I am lifting 100 kilos. I will not.
Stupid boy, how will you show me now? I am the strongest.
These are the squeak ball. Okay, let's have a competition. Fight.
What kind of fight? This one.
No, she with the sponge. With the sponge.
It's on your head. Great idea.
Ouch! Where's my One, two, three.
Ah! You are the strongest clown. Clown you. We are Popo all the time with Papa. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I ask you to welcome to the finest class in our class and in our A big clap, please, for Coco and Johnny. Do you know the story about Adam and Eve?
No, I don't.
Well, Adam, Eve and Pichini went down to the river to swim. Adam and Eve were drowned. How do you know what's it?
Teach me.
It's your good idea.
Ouch!
Do you know the story about Pichini, Bunny, and Turtle your toes?
No, I don't.
Pichini, Bunny, and Turtle your toes went down to the river to swim. Two of the fish were growing. Look. How do you know what's it?
Well, not country, and not country because I know who country. Spread tomatoes.
Good idea.
Ouch! Come here, you. Well, I got some jokes too. How do you get 4 elephants in a car?
I don't know.
He doesn't know. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Of course, and how to get 4 giraffes in a car?
2 in the front, 2 in the back.
No, silly! The car is already full of elephants.
Did you like sit up great and now let's welcome Togo and Toki. It is a crazy. Hello everybody, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello. Hello, how are you? Toki, come here. Toki, come here. Toki, come here. Toki, come here. Stop it, Toki. Do you want to play? Yes, of course. Let's play Simon Says. Sit down, Toki. Okay. Come on, Toki, sit down properly. Sorry, Coco. Simon Says, touch your ear. Ear. Simon Says, stand up. Simon Says, dance. La la la. Simon Says, sit down. Ouch! Coco, come here.
Very funny. The next clowns come for America. Kiki and Pepe, let's give a big hand.
This is my bird, Rocky. Rocky is very intelligent. Very intelligent? This dog, I can't be intelligent. Yes, it can. No, she can. Yes, it can, and I'm doing a demonstration. Rocky, come here. Okay, you have to jump to this rope to another rope. Okay, you understand? Do you stand, Rocky? From this side to the other side. Very funny. Let's do something different. Concentrate the hope. Concentrate. Sleep. And we are going to jump one side to the other side of the hope. Now you are going to be my horse. I bring you here. Goodbye. That was very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now it's the time for José Loncho Pupa. Hello, my name is Concha. I'm dating 10 years and I can put this music where the audience can sing. I can sing but you cannot hear it.
Okay, it's a bit.
I eat the music. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can you see the biscuit? Yes. I can see the biscuit, but you cannot see the biscuit, so the money is for me.
Oh, I lost 10 euros. Not afraid. I can do that straight too.
Okay, you can.
Yes, I can.
No, you can.
Yes, I can put the biscuits at the others they can see. I can see, but they can't see.
Okay, I'm going to 10 years again.
I'm going to hypnotize. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can you see the biscuit? I can see the biscuit, but you can't see the biscuit, so the man is for me.
Wait. I can see the biscuit. It's on my head. So the money is for me. Eat the biscuit.
Much Ocelotto Concha is 20 years and knows Ocelotto about this.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now let's say goodbye to all the participants. The magicians,